Okay, now let's start the animation. But before going to the animation, always follow the first rule, that is check your settings. Go to the settings, convert this into PAL. Okay, then time slider, it's all there. So by default it's coming to the 1, so make it 1. And here I'm going to make 200 frames. Okay, now let's decide how the movement will come. So first let me key the camera. This is what I want my final positions on the last frame. Also I'll make one key. I want to show this 3 is coming out of the camera, D is coming from this side, 3 is coming from this, and they will hit together and go back. Okay, and the text is coming from that camera. Okay, so let's select this group, go to the outliner, select the each group, and you can see there is a value for the each group. Select the group and say modify freeze transformation, because why, whenever you want to do the animation, the value has to be to the default 0 0. So now I'm moving this text individually, so that's why I made that values again 0 over here. Okay, next, so 3. And one more thing, that check the pivot point also, because we have changed the position of the pivot point, and while rotating it will not rotate properly. See, so make modify center pivot point, and here also I will say world local, so it will rotate according to that. So let's do the animation. So I want this 3D 3 and D. I'll keep this outliner somewhere here. Yeah, on frame 75 it has to come on the screen, or I'll say 100. So channel key all, and even D also I want, both has to come on the same position. Go to the first frame, change the position, but it has to come from this point of view, and 3 has to come from the same direction. Okay, just move outside of the camera, and I'll little bit scale it, and I will say rotation, it has to rotate like this, so minus 360 I will say, channel key all. Now let's see. And now I'll select this D, minus 360 position, I will bring it little up, channel key all. Let's see. Oh, this 3 is already coming in the screen, so I'll just move it outside. Oh, now the rotations of both the alphabets are similar, right? So what I'll do, I'll select one of the alphabet, especially D, and instead of 360 degree minus, I'll make it plus 360 degree. So on the first position I will just move the D somewhere over here. Yeah, now it's framing better. Okay, let's save this file. 04. I just want to make little some interesting over here. So what I'll do over here, D, instead of coming like this, I'll just cut this position. I'll paste over here on 100 frame. Copy, paste. But I want to show this is minus 180 over here, and it should be touch to this. I will just delete this rotation key on y-axis. Oh, no, let's make this simple way only. And my next assignment, I will show how to give the character to the alphabet. First, understand the basic of this animation first. First you practice this basics of animation about the transformation, rotation and all this thing, and then my next assignment I will explain you how to give the character to the alphabets. Now this is what 3D is already reached. Now we'll do the animation to the text. Now once it's settled down, I want to show this T has to come on the position after 15th frame. E has to reach to its position. On 155th frame, the T has to reach to its position. Okay, so from 75th frame onwards, it has to then next E X and the last is 360 degrees rotation, so it is going to rotate. Okay, 360 is right over here because it's the same position, but when it start rotating, and the same way T over here rotates in the 360 degree.